Hello everyone, this is Derek Darlington. Many people ask me about how to cut video with the Lightworks, the best free video editing software for Windows and Mac. So in this tutorial, I will just show you how to cut or trim a video in Lightworks for free completely. First of all, you could just download and run this software on your website on your computer. And you will just say the interface that looks like this. Now to import the video file, you could tap the local file, take the libraries and select the local files. After that, you just tap the places, then to select one of the video files from the computer. For example, here I just select a file from my desktop and just this one. You could drag it or tap import to drag the video file to the timeline directly. And to cut in Lightworks, to cut the video in Lightworks, first you should select the video and word check. So this is the video check and this is the word check. You could also just right click and add some more video and add some more word checks if possible. So after you select the video file, you could just to cut the video, just press the C key on your keyboard to split the video. Then, if you want to delete some unwanted video clip, you need to just select it. For example, I want to cut the beginning part. Then you select the beginning part, and after that, just press the delete key on your keyboard to cut the video. But you may just say the gap still exists. To remove this gap, you could just right-click your mouse and go to the remove and then choose the gaps. Then you could find the gap is just deleted. You can also tap this to zoom in or zoom out so that you could edit the video much more conveniently. So it's really very easy to use the Lightworks to cut the video. You could another solution to cut video with the Lightworks. You could just use some of the features here below the preview window. For example, if you want to cut a video clip between, then you could just play the video to the place where you want to cut the video, and then tap this option called Add an image at the current position. Then just move the pointer continuously until you want to cut the video. After that, just tap this and an alt mark at the current position. Now, here you could just tap this button to delete the marked section. But you may find the whole video is deleted. This is because you just selected all of the videos and the word check. So if you want to delete the marked section, you cannot select them. So here you could just try it again, and you see the selecting the section part is just deleted. So this is very easy to use the Lightworks for cutting or trimming the videos. Now the Lightworks is free to use, as I said earlier, which means you could export the video for free without seeing the watermark. To export the video in Lightworks, just right-click the mouse and then choose the export. After that, with the free version of the Lightworks, you could just export the video to MP4, and with the resolution of 720p, But I think this is enough for most of the times for editing the videos. So you could also just select a place to export the video and also and video title here. After that, just tap the start button to export the Lightworks. So this is some tips about how to cut or trim video in Lightworks. Thank you very much. If you have some more questions, you could also leave a comment and let me know.